Hey everybody, this is Sidra and you're watching My Spice Treats. Today I'll show you how you can make chocolate fudge at home, which is beyond easy. So let's do this. So guys, you basically just need two things, condensed milk and chocolate. I'm going to go for dark chocolate. You can use semi-sweet chips or dairy one, your choice. Then in a heavy bottom pan, add the condensed milk. I'm using my homemade, obviously. If you say, I can share the recipe. Then add these dark crystals on low to medium heat. Okay, the thinner the crystals, the easier it would be for you to melt, okay? Really fun making it, isn't it? These properly scrap the sides of it as well. Once you see that it has gone into this shape, this is the point where you have to scrap all of it in an already prepared molding dish, just butter and parchment paper. This time I've made a plain batch. Mostly I add some biscuit crumbs or nuts on top of it. That makes it more fancy. If you want to go for that, you can do that. Otherwise, place it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Once they're out, just cut them into nice pieces and they're ready. So make them, eat them, and let us know that how chewy and fudgy they were. I hope you liked the video. See you next time. Bye-bye.